Hello again, ready for day 20 of July Postcard Play, hosted by Ceri Griffiths. And that's Ceri, the crafter. So I'm going to shuffle my deck to get a card to do this. Get a card to decorate. So this is the one I'm using, and oh, that's a nice one. Okay. I know what I'm going to do. This is an easy one for me. So I'm going to stencil down the side of it. Okay, so I want black. It's right under my nose, that's why I couldn't see it. Okay, so I've got black soot. Should I use that? Or should I use the other black? After spending all that time looking for it, I think I'm going to use this other one because it's permanent. So I'm just going to do a random strip of letters and numbers down there. Come on. To cut me in a little bit, it's a bit too far over. Just want to get right down into the stencil. I probably would have been better off using a brush, but I don't want my brush filled with this permanent ink. I'm happy to sacrifice one of these little fellas. Yeah, I think that's enough. And I've got this strip that was on a different one. I thought of using that, but now that I've seen it against there, I don't like it. I look for something else. A couple of scraps here. Oh, that stands out, doesn't it? It needs something in contrast to the orange. That isn't too bad actually. I quite like that. I wonder if I can take a section out there. Something like that, but not so wide. Like that, and maybe I could have a piece of the purple behind it. Let's just try a little bit. Maybe around this way. My piece is getting smaller and smaller. And I do like the white showing on this. So I'm not going to ink it or anything like that. I'm going to put that there like that, and then another bit of something here. Maybe a piece of this yellow, the really yellowy green. Now let's tear the edge off it first. Yep, that's what I'm doing. Just take the straight lines away. Okay. Maybe I should go this side. I'm going to go this side. Going to leave that exposed. Bit long. Around the other way. I think it'll look better. Yeah. That. No way. I want to put an edge on it. And I sort of feel like I want to outline them. So I've got this Pilot G-Tech pen. Very, very fine. And yeah, I'm just sketchily outlining these. I don't really care if I'm outside or inside the lines. Oops. Gonna have to fill that in there. A little bit more of that stenciling. Maybe a bit down in this corner here. There's the two on there. I'm going to stencil the number 20. Looking for a 0. It's a small one. I don't know, you guys can probably see one, but I can't see a 0 anywhere there. And don't say look in the mirror. Oh, come on, there's got to be a 0 or an O on it here somewhere. Surely. What's this? Is it? I think it's a C. Seriously. Well, there we go. We can do that. It's not exactly what I planned, but anyway. Did I still want to put some more of that on? Don't know whether I do now. Stupid stencil. Okay, let's just do a little bit across the bottom. Just a bit. We'll go this way. Just to be different. We'll get half of whatever it is. Okay, that's pretty simple, that one. Maybe some white spatters on it would lift it a bit. So that is gesso that's been watered down. And I'm just going to use this little fine brush instead of my fan brush. I want a couple of big blobs. Yep, that's it. Alright, I'm calling that done. So that's number 20. Done and dusted.